I would say this is the one that helped me, I would say, a lot for my mental well-being, mental health, and my performance, is keeping a journal with me all the time. And this is a common practice I see among many billionaires, actually. When I was reading Bill Gates, I think he had one, Richard Branson had one, Oprah Winfrey. So a lot of people I see who achieve goals or improve themselves tend to have a journal with themselves. And I really didn't see the importance of it. I thought it was a simple thing, just keeping a journal, that's great. But when I actually made it a practice to, write down my ideas, write down goals, simple goals or actions or some of the challenges I'm having, I started to see a huge difference in my mental state. Because what I realized is that when you're journaling, and this is something I even tell my clients to do, is that there's a lot of pressure, there's a lot of thoughts that are trying to get your attention in from your subconscious mind. And when all of them are working like alarm clock trying to get your attention, that creates a state of overwhelm, right? So imagine you have about, instead of one alarm clock going on, like 10, 20 alarm clocks going on at the same time. So if you have things that you need to complete, things that you need to remember all in your head, it will be very overwhelming for you, right? So that's why keeping a journal, writing, making lists, right? Even if you don't visit them, right? Writing and keeping somewhere that you can leave is a very important thing. And obviously, writing, we'll talk about how to create, manage your time and task, but this is for more of your mental health and organizing your life, and instead of having, sometimes just, throwing and spewing all your problems to your friend, you can use a journal to like talk about problems you have, the challenges you have, things that you don't know how to do, and then come up with a set of solutions that you can try. So journal have been had a big effect in my life, and I can see it is practiced among the best professionals in the world. Something for you to remember, and think of it like using your second brain. It's like, instead of trying to keep everything in your mind, keep a journal as a second brain, and unload things onto that.